Hello everyone, hope you are doing great today and welcome back to the PC Tricks Legend channel. For those who don't know me, I am Bain, and today I will show you a mind-blowing trick on how to hide and unhide your hard drive. Wait, why will you do that, right? I don't know. Maybe it's because you have some important files on a specific drive that you don't want people to have access to, or maybe it's because of something else. So let's do it. Firstly, go to your drives directory and check which drive you want to hide. For me, I will hide the system reserved drive. Go on Start, click on it, then type CMG and just hit enter. Once the command prompt window pops up, type disk path, hit enter. If asked to confirm anything, then click yes. Another window will open up shortly. Now type list volume and hit enter to see the list of all drives details. Now check the drive that you don't want people to keep peeping in so that you can hide it. Mine will be D because I don't want to see it. Once you've detected the drive, then type select volume followed by the letter of the drive you want to hide and then hit on enter. To hide the drive, you just need to type remove letter followed by the letter of the drive, then hit enter and then you're done. Now type list volume again and hit enter and you will see that the selected drive has no letter assigned to it. Now you can go and check if your drive is still there. Magic trick, right? No panic, man. I will help you get your drive back. Now just type select volume followed by the number of the volume you want to unhide. Type assign letter followed by the letter of the drive you want to unhide and then hit enter. Now go and check if your drive is back. As you can see, it's back. So we are done. On the next tutorial, I will show you a cool trick you can use on your friend's computer to make it type repeatedly a personalized message on Notepad. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if not yet done. Like, comment and share to help more people, and see you next time in the future tutorials. Wow!